My name is Dave Saum, and the restaurant's name we have here is El Corso, which means at the main street in Italian. We've been here for approximately 6 years. 6 years total that the doors were open for business. I think they come to El Corso for the unique dining experience, to get away from a lot of the big cities that are around and to drive the countryside and enjoy a great dining experience. Our ice situation here was spotty. It wasn't the best cube that was coming out of the machine, and we needed to upgrade. My criteria for when I buy equipment would be, I like to look at the manufacturer's history, and then I would suggest price. I look at price of a machine and the reliability. I would expect an ice machine to last at least, I would say at least 10 to 12 years before the major service work seems to come in. Yeah, the performance of the Koolaire Ice Machine has been phenomenal. It has not given us any problems whatsoever. The bar staff with our ice machine really likes the idea of having ice that's consistent. So when the customer gets their drink, they can see that what kind of ice cube that they're getting in their drink, that it's a consistent cube, that you're not watering a drink down with thin ice. Manitowoc company they've been in ice for many years, making ice machines. So I think any product that comes out of Manitowoc Ice on the market would be a great product, and they wouldn't put it out on the market if it wasn't. I would rate the performance on a 1 to 10 scale, as 10 being the highest. I would say it's a 9. Definitely recommend the Koolaire Ice Machine. If someone would give me a call and ask for a reference on a machine, I would definitely recommend the Koolaire.